Good morning children, I am Mubina Inamdar. Today I am taking EVS spread for UKG class. Children, open your textbook, page number 140. Page number 140. Our today's topic is parts of the body. Our today's topic is parts of the body. Fill in the blanks with the right word. Fill in the blanks with the right word. See here the words are given. Let's see which are those. Hear, smell, see, touch, taste. Hear, smell, see, touch, taste. These are the words. These words you have to fill in these blanks. Let's see first one. I can dash a bird flying with my eyes. I can dash a bird flying with my eyes. With your eyes, what you do? With our eyes, we use our eyes to see around us. To see around us. So here in this column, you have to write the word see. The word see. S-E-E, see. I can see a bird flying with my eyes. I can see a bird flying with my eyes. The second one is I can dash the phone ringing with my ears. I can dash the phone ringing with my ears. How you know a phone is ringing? By the phone ringtone. By the phone ringtone. The sound of ringtone is you heard, then you can know the phone is ringing. We hear the sound around us by our ears. So in this column you have to write here. H-E-A-R, here. I can hear the phone ringing with my ears. I can hear the phone ringing with my ears. Now third one. I can dash a soft feather with my hands. I can dash a soft feather with my hands. Here you have to write touch. T-O-U-C-H, touch. I can touch a soft feather with my hands. I can touch soft feather with my. When you touch the feather with your hands, then only you have to feel the softness of the feather. Next one is fourth one. I can dash a rose with my nose. I can dash a rose with my nose. The nose is our smelling sense. The nose is, by the nose you smell the things or fragrance. Here you have to write smell. Here you write smell. I can smell a rose with my nose. I can smell a rose with my nose. Last one, fifth one is I can dash a cake with my tongue. I can dash a cake with my tongue. With your tongue, you can taste the different things. So here you taste the cake with your tongue. So here you write taste, the word taste. The word taste. I can taste a cake with my tongue. I can taste a cake with my tongue. First you can see with your eyes. You can see with your eyes. You can hear the sound with your ears. You can touch the things by hands. You can touch or feel the things by your hands. And fourth one is you can smell with your nose. Now last one is you can taste with your tongue. You can taste with your tongue. Now children, read these sentences along with me. First one is I can see a bird flying with my eyes. I can see a bird flying with my eyes. Second one, I can hear the phone ringing with my ears. I can hear the phone ringing with my ears. I can touch a soft feather with my hands. I can touch a soft feather with my hands. Fourth one, I can smell a rose with my nose. A rose with my nose. Last one, I can taste a cake with my tongue. I can taste a cake with my tongue. Now children, it's time to take your today's homework. Your today's homework is on page number 140. Page number 140. Fill in the blanks with their right words. Fill in the blanks with their right words. Those who are not having test books, you have to write in notebook. See, take a screenshot or note down the homework and send on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.